Hello. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Okay, for English year 6, we continue our topic, Unit 1, A Sweet Start. Okay, look at page 4. Okay, page 4. Let's read. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct letters. Isikan tempat kosong dengan huruf yang betul. Okay, number 1. My favorite dessert is. Okay, fill in the blank. What is the correct letters for this one? Okay, what is this? Yes, jelly, correct. Okay, now spell the jelly correctly and then fill in the blank with the correct letters. Masukkan huruf yang betul untuk ejaan jelly. My favorite dessert is jelly. Okay. Manisan kegemaran saya ialah jelly. Okay, number 2. Miss Wong enjoys baking. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, cakes. Okay, so the correct answer here is cakes. Now you need to spell the correct spelling for cakes. Okay, Miss Wong enjoys baking cakes. Cik Wong suka bakar kek. Okay. Number 3. Dayang's favorite. What is the correct answer here? Is vanilla. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, ice cream. Okay, so the correct answer here is ice cream. Now you need to spell the correct letters for ice cream. Okay, number 4. She likes to eat peanut butter. What is this? Okay, yes, cookies. She likes to eat peanut butter cookies. Dia suka makan apa? Biskut, perisa, kacang, mentega kacang. Okay. Number 5. Okay, what is the correct answer here? Can be healthy too. What is this? Okay, this is a kind of dessert. Okay, desserts can be healthy too. Manisan boleh jadi juga salah satu makanan yang sihat. Okay, number 6. Dayang loves vanilla. What? Okay, look at here. Yes, muffins. Dayang loves vanilla muffins. So, you need to spell correct letters. What is the correct spelling for muffins? Okay. Insert the correct letters here. Okay. Dayang suka muffin perisa vanilla. Okay. Number 7. Chong Wei likes his ice cream topped with what? Yes, nuts. Kacang. Okay. Chong Wei likes his ice cream topped with nuts. So you need to find what is the correct spelling for nuts. Chong Wei suka ice cream yang atasnya ada kekacang. Okay, good. Okay, sekarang apa tugasan kamu semua? Okay, you need to rewrite the sentences into exercise books. Okay, kamu semua kena salin semula ayat ini daripada nombor 1 sampai nombor 7 dalam buku aktiviti kamu, buku latihan kamu. Kalau kamu tak beli lagi buku latihan di kedai buku, kamu boleh gunakan kertas A4 ataupun buku latihan yang lain. Kamu salin, kemudian tangkap gambar dan hantarkan kepada saya. Okay. Salin semua sentence ni, ayat-ayat ni dan isikan tempat kosong yang betul. Okay. Now turn to page, next page. Okay, look at here. Let's read. Mari kita baca. Complete the sentences. Okay, complete the sentences. Maksudnya apa? Okay, complete the sentences. Maksudnya lengkapkan ayat ya. Okay, at the bakery. Bakery. Di mana bakery ialah kedai roti ataupun kedai kek. Okay, di mana bakery adalah tempat kita membeli roti ataupun kek. Okay. Number 1. Okay, this is example. Contoh ya. Okay, diberikan gambar dan juga harga di sini ya. Okay, gambar apa ni? Gambar aiskrim. Okay, so the sentence is, this is an ice cream. Ini ialah aiskrim. It is RM2.50. Harganya ialah RM2.50. Yes, betul. Okay, tugasan kamu ialah kamu lengkapkan, complete the sentences. Kamu lengkapkan ayat yang ada tertinggal di sini. Okay, kita tengok satu persatu. Okay, number 2. Okay, what is this? Apa yang kamu nampak gambar ni? Yes, correct. This is a chocolate. Okay, chocolate bar. Dan harganya, lihat di sini. Harganya RM1.50. So, now sekarang kamu dikendaki mengisi tempat kosong. Completekan, lengkapkan ayat yang lengkap bagi ayat yang tertinggal. Ayat yang tertinggal, perkataan yang tertinggal pada ayat tersebut. Okay, contoh nombor 2 ni ya, kita tengok. This is a bar of chocolate. Okay, so you need to spell chocolate here. Okay, fill in chocolate here. It is, ya harganya berapa? Okay, RM1.50. So, RM1.50 dalam bahasa Inggeris apa? Kita dah pernah belajar tahun lepas. Yes, we had learned topic money last year. Okay, yes, correct. RM1.50. I repeat, RM1.50. So, it is RM1.50. Okay. Number 3. What is this? Yes, a slice of cake. Okay, fill in the blank. This is a slice of cake. It is, okay, the price is RM5, correct. It is RM5. Okay, this is a slice of cake. Okay, eja perkataan cake di sini. Kemudian isikan harganya iaitu it is RM5. Okay, number 4. Yeah, these are tarts. Okay, tart. Dan harganya ialah, okay, tengok harganya ialah RM6.30. Okay, sekarang kita nak isikan tempat kosong ya. Okay, these are tarts. Ini adalah, okay, tart. Dan harganya, they are RM6.30. I repeat, they are RM6.30. Okay. Got it? Understand? Okay, bagus. Good. Cikgu harap kamu faham bagaimana nak isi semua di dalam tempat kosong. How to complete the sentences. Okay, now open your activity book. Page 4. Okay, your task is to fill in the blanks with the correct spelling. Isikan tempat kosong. Okay. Isikan tempat kosong dengan ejaan yang betul. Okay, isikan tempat kosong dengan ejaan yang betul. Okay, pertama. Nina had a bake for her birthday last year. Nina had a bake for her birthday last year. Okay, look at to the picture. What is this? Yes, cake. So spell cake here. Nina had a big cake for her birthday last year. Nina dapat apa? Kek hari jadi yang besar pada sambutan hari jadinya tahun lepas. Okay, the correct answer is cake and the correct spelling is, yes, C-A-K-E. C-A-K-E for cake. Okay. Number 2, chocolate blank is my favorite. Chocolate blank is my favorite. Apa perkataan, apa tempat kosong perlu kamu isi? What is this? Yes, drink, minuman. Okay, so the correct answer here is drink. Chocolate drink is my favorite. Chocolate drink is my favorite. Okay, minuman coklat ialah minuman kegemaran saya. How to spell the correct spelling for chocolate? No, sorry. How to spell the correct spelling for drink? Yes, drink. D-R-I-N-K. D-R-I-N-K. Put it here. Okay, chocolate drink is my favorite. Okey, sekarang cikgu nak kamu fill in the blanks. Semua jawapan isi tempat kosong ni, nombor 3, nombor 4, nombor 5, nombor 6, nombor 7 sampai nombor 8. Okay, number 1 till number 8. You need to fill in the blank with the correct words and the correct spelling. Okay? Okay, look at number 3. The egg sold in that shop are delicious. The egg what? Yes, egg tarts. The egg tarts sold in that shop are delicious. Tart telur yang dijual di kedai itu sangat sedap. Okay, number 4, she bought. Tempat kosong. This morning. Okay, look at to the picture. Yes, chocolate. She bought chocolate this morning. Dia beli apa? Chocolate pagi ini. Okay, number 5. I had an ice cream yesterday. I had an ice cream yesterday. Saya makan ice cream bila? Semalam. Saya makan ice cream semalam. So, spell the correct spelling for ice cream here. Okay, number 6. Those, tempat kosong, are delicious. Those, yes, muffins. Those muffins are delicious. So, put S. When plural, you need to put S di belakang word perkataan sebut. Menunjukkan benda tu lebih daripada satu. Sebab muffin ni ada 2. So, those muffins. So, how to spell the correct muffins? Yes, put S at the back. So, muffins. Okay, those muffins are delicious. Kedua-dua muffin tersebut sangat sedap. Okay, number 7. Nina baked 12 blank tempat kosong yesterday. Nina baked 12 tempat kosong yesterday. What is this? Yes, cookies. Biscuit. Okay, Nina baked 12 cookies yesterday. Nina baked 12 ya. Nina bakar 12 apa? 12 biji biskut semalam. Okay, cookies. Okay, spell the correct cookies and write down here. And the last one, do you like, what is this? Yes, cendol. Do you like cendol? Do you like cendol? Kamu suka cendol? Okay. That's all for today. So, jadi cikgu harap kamu dapat menyiapkan tugasan yang diberikan. Okay, dan kamu dikendaki menulis jawapan tersebut dan hantar yang buku aktiviti kamu dikendaki menjawab di dalam buku aktiviti, melainkan yang ini kamu dikendaki rewrite. Okey, salin semula pada buku latihan ataupun kertas A4. Kemudian tangkap gambar, snap the picture, snap the answer. Okey, tangkap gambar jawapan kamu dan hantarkan kepada cikgu. Okey, good luck. Selamat berjaya. Till then, okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.